Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you could add money to your Venmo. So let's dive in. It's important to note that in order to add funds directly to your Venmo balance, you must first apply for and receive the Venmo debit card. Thankfully, the application process is quick and straightforward. All you need to do is confirm your mailing address within the app, and once that's done, Venmo will ship the debit card to you typically within a couple of weeks. Once you have your Venmo debit card active and ready, open the Venmo app and head over to the Me section at the bottom right of the screen. On your profile page, you'll see your Venmo balance displayed. Right below that, tap the option that says Add Money. At this point, the app will prompt you to choose a funding source. You'll have several options here, such as linking a bank account, using a check, or setting up a direct deposit. For this example, let's go ahead and select Bank. Now, enter the amount of money you'd like to transfer into your Venmo balance for demonstration purposes, let's say $1. After that, you'll need to link or confirm your bank account or debit card if you haven't already done so. Once all the information is in place, tap Next, review the details of the transaction, and finally, press Add to confirm and initiate the transfer.